All right. Sober TV. Here on YouTube. Yes, share. And send me to when you say you have to subscribe to the account because I have a few announcements here. You need to subscribe to the account to get all those things. And then I can do the announcement. The announcement is very simple. Sober TV is going to a new level. And level na ye kono ye rebranding that was Sober TV. You sure say mo bi amahu changes was Sober TV kwan fa so ye nneoma no good. Now rebranding process now aka edin na so ye use no. So the name is going to move from Sober TV to Porcupine Stand. Until I'm subscribe to the account, not to miss it. Send you later on search Sober TV, name go PA channel for first. So subscribe to Porcupine Stand. That is the new name of this channel. For now, IP URL changes. Still, if you search for Sober TV, you will still get it. But while on subscribe or don't say subscribe or just hit it so that you don't miss out. A Porcupine Stand because you see a Porcupine Stand and why so pure kotoko. So this channel now, like we all agreed, I think say 2 months ago, ni bisa say the foreign content, but and we realized that this channel is made for kotoko and it should be kotoko only. So this channel, from next month, March, it will no longer be called Sober TV. It's a logo nasasa, banner nasasa, a movie called the Porcupine Stand. On the Porcupine on one, a friend of kotoko. The kotoko stand, kotoko stand, the other banner. Na say kotoko news nkwan go so pure kotoko news the Porcupine Stand and what so pure kotoko inti subscribe to it inti say who say logo asesa na banner na asesa it's still Porcupine Stand with Selbet. Now the channel dedicated to only kotoko news, kotoko podcast started and we put it on hold because we are building something a day. So it's moving to a new level. Trust me, mame, by February, you will see it. And you may go, fan by. There are reasons in Tia keeping your So subscribe to Porcupine Stand with Selbet by next month, not February, February, but from March, Bebana Edinia Porcupine Stand. The 1 month a promo telling you to subscribe to the account, no subscribe. So Porcupine Stand, no just so pure kotoko, kotoko and the target is to become the best kotoko YouTube account and the most followed kotoko YouTube account. Internet said denying a Porcupine Stand. A lot of investment from different people now be shame. And you remember, live training reports, everything is going to the next level here on the Porcupine Stand with Selbet TV. And now with Selbet. So down to the news. We normally ask question of the day, but a lot of clarifications. And that you on this particular channel. And we want to tell the mom. Let's start with Imoro Ibrahim. Send me my idea no, my credibility who hear me pa. And untina they say Porcupine Stand, yeah, baby take you over. And at the Porcupine Stand, credible news, 100%. That is the target. Yeah, you pay there. Need to mean 100, but we will try to get 100. And then as at 5:23, na Imoro Ibrahim and signing contract and Asante kotoko. My time 5:23. That was when you were at the camp of Imoro Ibrahim. Contract have not been signed on signing. So medicals be anyhow and a contract no one sign. But conversation is still ongoing, which is positive. But my case should be as at 5:23 now on signing. Now there was another news be I'm clarifying a quick FML on set a bra nana ponsa management nana amponsa ne consortium no assigning that is Petro Club and a year ahila enter into an agreement no but who said people are linking Imoro to Nana Amponsa. Say Nana Amponsa befa Imoro. And ra manka wa ha say Nana Amponsa befa Imoro. Which is also not entirely true. Because entirely true, and it's no quick kakra, but antecessor your more canon. Now, from what I know, and after my sources, Edema Mene said, and now I catch us at Nana Amponsen's team will sign a contract with a big European team. Good. And they will pick 3 Ghanaian players. 3 Ghanaian players, you know. A bien who I more count. Bako Ewo an Accra team. And the other one, so about a team. Ewo Bruno Ahafo. And the Kosi Northern region. Midfield and American or Bruno Ahafo team. A copy Northern region team. But any player ball kotoko has. So the Imoro Ibrahim amount for linking it to Petro Club, the woman here. Now Ponsa, according to my sources, any Imoro din komo. Bear almost a month ago. But as of now, to cut the long term short, senior kotoko any bianco kase Nana Ponsa. No, as of now, there is nothing on the table between Nana Amponsa, Imoro, and Petro Club. To them, I mean, Chanitia. Kamebabi Uran Komonum. Yes, on said Nana ne Imoro strong relationship. Hela Obekui, I am a Kotkoye preseason and Nana Amponsa. But the truth of the matter is, there is no contract and a negotiation beyond started opinion in a Babe Tamno, Edna free Ghana Ednako. Yes. From the look of things, the high Hila drama with Imoro and Nana Amponsa coming and Petro Club and the partnership, no, I'm for Kikanyoma boom. But no Crania said, approach Nikoi last month more. But it was just a call. After that, there will be no conversation. Then I'm saying, and entirely true. Yes, I think the mechanics are meeting at Chichimui. I'm a share the Pokupan stand with Seobed no, Ubenya Imuntia Sieni Yepa. That is it. But the confirmation is that Unyan signing contract as at 523. Until after 523 and was signing, I don't know. But as at 523, now Imoro Ibrahim and signing contract for Asante kotoko. 2. Danlad Ibrahim, Mamen Kosotel. News on the Namho said Danlad is not happy. Na enye afi na maybe tumbre actually see for people to know na unim no say oben no. With them the story name. I can confidently tell you that there is no problem. Yes. The player is extremely happy. Maintain your story way. And I maintain your headlines, we say. To me, your headline, we say, you should know where it is coming from. I hope you understand. Which means you should know where it's coming from. That news, and I'm telling you, clarifications. Oh, Pokupan stand so. Oba stand so. Your mouth stories meaning that news is not true. Danlad is happy. That is from what I was told. Penny also manager pa. Asemo. He's ready to fight for his position. According to sources closer to Danlad Ibrahim. Say he's a player who say 1. Oba Kotokono on the Felix Sanan and the Soa, Eric Ofurian, Isaac Amuakomo, Michael Abumu Benenemu. Kwame Munyina Benenemu ani adia. There have been a lot of goalkeepers. Razak Abelora Munyina Benenemu. Kwame Ba Munyina Benenemu. You fight for your position. So he is ready to work hard and fight for his position. So Danlad is happy at Asante kotoko. Mamin come next story. So Henry Ansu question by Ansu has started light training with Asante kotoko. I know dia o ha me dey ma. So the list of players on Marikova, Rocky Dawoni, Bena Somoama Canada, Richmond Opoku, and Ramekai, and Shaif Mohammed. And again, Henry Ansu Eson Eka, that list of players are on Marikova. No. Inti Ansu question na Mubisano. He is back to partner Yusuf Nuruddin. Ewa Chireho Emma Kumase Asante kotoko. Training a Koso. And training for now, 2 times a day, and then a 2 training session, which was supervised by Coach David Oku. Mami Thursday, Ogumbeba. Yes, Mami Thursday, Ogumbeba. And no air the Oha Medema. Mami up to Thursday. Pardon me for the previous information. Mami up to Thursday, Ogumbeba. So training now is still being supervised by coach David Okulu. The league is expected to start around 27th February. Simple. Afcon ye film. Ya nya de ye film. But me abebo league ni agie ni 27th. But on 18th February, that weekend, no, 16th, 18th, 15th, 17th, 18th weekend, no, I'm about the MTN FA Cup. The FA Cup, we are normal. They are started the league the following week. And no air the all I made the air mount. It was over TV. Now also who the air conti. You go so watching league no enya and started. Na ye kejagum sa na ye kejagum. Now let me go to this story. I'm out training news kakra mama Imoro Ibrahim DEAL. Yes, these are clarifications I need to do. Richmond Lamptey. So occupant stand with Seobe can officially confirm it to you. Say Richmond Lamptey as of now is staying at Asante kotoko. Take it from us here at the occupant stand, which is being hosted and which is being owned by Seobe. Say Yedemau, say Lamptey is staying. Now let me run you through the Lamptey story proper. Because you see, I'm a green light. Say me to me uram, a Tunisian agent and a Richmond Lamptey say our deals from North Africa or the Bemano. Obi a hear me video no makasa asem nada. But my uncle Chirimuyi Ambo agent in the free. But it was a Tunisian agent. Now, Lamptey, good boy, Mekanda Dada, say he's a very good boy because he appreciates the Asante kotoko Ayamano. Not direct you to speak to Emmanuel Newton Dashberry. Now, they will quote you which is $100,000 na no credit. But Kotoko felt say Sikano of form. And let me do the explanation before you start. And let me check you more your passports. Let me check you more the occupant standards somehow. Before you start criticizing the Kotoko management, bear with me, say, entire for percentage or Richmond Lamptey, the transfer be Asante kotoko. There is a different story, dietary fee, training and development fee. You pay to every junior club will be a Richmond Lamptey boy. There's a percentage that is deducted for developing the player. We are GACA and GFA, so by Jomodia. It's approximately transfer. Se club no crowd player and free and 30% onward in par. FJ 10% the cost and 40. Na yet development near then other ones you are looking about 45% of the money is not yours. Duty fee ne kakraka one here and one mistake because the rest is not yours. Therefore, so the management of Asante kotoko decided say per calculations, it looks like Ahana and Shadam and that is why DONE Ansu back and forth Sikana kotoko person omo any Sikana agent ne offer no na difference will move. So at the end of the day, DONE off. The deal is off. Say Obed can confirm it to you here on Pokupan stand that the deal off and opame can one somewhere your passports and the mesa can one seven said the deal is off. So Lamptey to Libya is off and Lamptey is staying at Asante kotoko. Now, yen taking advantage of this number Richmond Lamptey abaso. Clearly, what I can tell you is that he's a player or Kaidie to be a man. I'm not doing PR for Lamptey, but I'm just saying something. I've dealt with players. Many players I heard you mapa. Many players be a club be. They no share club owner say. What are they? Good. The signing player 2.5 years. That day the club owner eka so yenji we mfaka. TJ na mkan so player no men wo na me percentage ni ba na de amame. And then I'm sabeka percentage na nyam nko. The player consistently catch him so omuntua na this menam I want to cry Rich Ona penny not. She was obed. Obano Mono of phone. I'm say, ah, sir. Nasa Muntiana Cadia on bonus of hair. Why is he in piano? He called the player. Bisa players one I'll say Usika and Farmer players who chairman their mama. Now I don't know who so can say a whole lot of stories. What I say? Whole lot of stories. Na men kwanya penny na Jimmy Dia. My a lot of recommendations amana. Majority of them are Juma. And Kapli and kill him a chance war. So what I'm trying to say is that footballers naturally among Kaidie, most of them, not all, most of them enter in Kaidie will be a mom. But for Lamptey, any other player, call ban so sa. Obeka change and say my ye season the berry I met me sign a pre-contract crack. Could they no acco sign a pre-contract? Season the berry I know acco as a free agent. But for the player to decide Sante kotoko on kasa, which is solid. Which means that na adwini mu no. Onye na adwini say so be free kotoko mpa, on be so be free kotoko kwan bone so. On be so be free kotoko ebra obi be kase abrantie be ungrateful. Clearly to say boy na adwene no. And for such a person, say oh buana unsuru. For such a person, say oh ta na chia bibia unsuru. So the deal is off. But I can confidently tell you say akomapana Lamptey de ball kotoko no de sa akomapana abebo. And he will play well. But where me against you, me again, but the contract, and if Kotoko would want him to renew, then as an offer him. That is all that I can see. What I say, play an almost $7,000 a month. Ninsanka, when Timmy Angia, na obey your calculation, harding. Inti, one more entoto nyoma yi wo. One more entoto nyoma yi na yen hwede bede. Ebe pie firi ho. Na ma bibia so. Etimi akoyi. Ede ama kumase asante kotoko. Na I think some miscalculation be. $400,000 is equivalent to what? 12 billion. Hey. Any asim. Yes, thank you very much. $100,000 is equivalent to 12 billion. When you 12 billion, there's like a kotoko commit me Lamptey replacement. Yet it's a crown 5 billion. With 5 billion, they could commit me Lamptey replacement. But so pardon me for that mathematical error the first time. But with 5 billion, say entity crown kotoko 500,000 Ghana cedis. Say a bit me Lamptey replacement. Maybe it's me Lamptey replacement. Well, Silver TVs, the confirmation is simple. The deal is off. So Lamptey is staying. I can confidently tell you so China, Richmond Lamptey Kotoko training grounds. Take it from Silver. He will be at Kotoko's training grounds. Because from my intel, means my son that from Lamptey is in Kumasi. Abedu Kumasi. To China, Kotoko training grounds. Na Okako training. Pardon me for the error in the first part of the video. Bye bye.